1. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs' statement, "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do," encapsulates a profound philosophy on work, satisfaction, and achieving excellence. This sentence reflects Jobs' belief in the integration of passion, purpose, and commitment in one's professional life, offering valuable insights into how individuals can find fulfillment through their work. The opening assertion, "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life," acknowledges the significant role that work plays in shaping personal existence. Jobs emphasizes that work is not merely a separate activity but a substantial component of life itself. This recognition underscores the idea that how individuals approach and engage with their work can profoundly impact their overall well-being and satisfaction. Furthermore, Jobs connects satisfaction directly to the pursuit of what one considers to be great work, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Here, satisfaction is linked to the alignment between one's personal beliefs, values, and the work they engage in. True fulfillment, according to Jobs, comes from pursuing work that resonates deeply with one's aspirations and standards of excellence. This perspective encourages individuals to introspectively assess their goals and motivations, guiding them towards work that provides genuine meaning and fulfillment. The crux of Jobs' philosophy lies in the assertion, "And the only way to do great work is to love what you do." This statement underscores the transformative power of passion and dedication in achieving greatness. According to Jobs, loving what you do is not just desirable but essential for producing exceptional results. When individuals are passionate about their work, they are more likely to invest themselves fully, innovate, and consistently strive for excellence. This emphasis on passion highlights its role as a catalyst for creativity, motivation, and resilience in the face of challenges. In conclusion, Steve Jobs' statement offers profound insights into the relationship between work, satisfaction, and achieving greatness. It advocates for viewing work as an integral part of life and underscores the importance of pursuing work that aligns with personal values and passions. By emphasizing the connection between satisfaction and the pursuit of great work through passion, Jobs provides a guiding principle for individuals seeking fulfillment and success in their professional endeavors. Ultimately, his philosophy encourages a proactive approach to work, rooted in passion and purpose, that leads to both personal satisfaction and meaningful contributions to the world. 2. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Steve Jobs' statement, "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do," encapsulates a profound philosophy on ambition, innovation, and the transformative power of belief. This sentence celebrates individuals who possess audacious aspirations and the courage to challenge conventional thinking in pursuit of meaningful change. Analyzing this statement reveals valuable insights into the mindset and characteristics that drive impactful innovation and societal transformation. The statement begins by using the term "crazy" metaphorically to describe individuals who dare to dream big and envision themselves as catalysts for global change. By labeling these individuals as crazy enough, Jobs acknowledges their unconventional thinking and willingness to defy norms and limitations. This characterization suggests that true innovation often springs from bold, audacious ideas that challenge the status quo and push the boundaries of what is believed possible. Moreover, Jobs emphasizes the importance of belief and confidence in effecting change. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. This assertion underscores the transformative power of self-belief and determination. It suggests that those who genuinely believe in their ability to make a difference are more likely to take decisive action and persevere through challenges to achieve their goals. This mindset of unwavering belief empowers individuals to overcome skepticism, navigate obstacles, and actively pursue their visions of positive change. Furthermore, the statement implies a proactive approach to innovation and societal impact. It encourages individuals not only to dream big but also to take concrete steps toward realizing their aspirations. By asserting that those who believe they can change the world are the ones who actually achieve it, Jobs inspires a sense of agency and responsibility. This philosophy motivates individuals to embrace their potential for influence and to actively seek opportunities to contribute meaningfully to society. In conclusion, Steve Jobs' statement serves as a powerful call to action for embracing boldness, innovation, and the pursuit of ambitious goals. It celebrates individuals who possess the courage to challenge norms, envision transformative possibilities, and actively pursue their aspirations of making a significant impact on the world. This philosophy encourages a mindset of resilience, determination, and unwavering belief in one's ability to effect positive change. Ultimately, Jobs' vision inspires individuals to embrace their own craziness in pursuit of meaningful goals, fostering a culture of innovation and societal progress. It underscores the profound impact of visionary thinking and the transformative power of belief in driving meaningful change in the world. 3. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs' statement, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life," encapsulates a profound philosophy on the value of time and the importance of personal authenticity. This sentence serves as a powerful reminder to prioritize individual aspirations, values, and passions in the limited time each person has. Analyzing this statement reveals deep insights into the significance of personal autonomy, authenticity, and the pursuit of meaningful living. The opening assertion, "Your time is limited," acknowledges the finite nature of life. Jobs' choice of words emphasizes that time is a precious resource that cannot be reclaimed once spent. This acknowledgement underscores the urgency of making deliberate choices and living intentionally, rather than allowing time to pass without purpose. Moreover, Jobs urges individuals, "Don't waste it living someone else's life." This admonition highlights the danger of conformity and the importance of authenticity. It encourages individuals to resist the temptation to conform to external expectations or societal norms that do not align with their own values, passions, and aspirations. By cautioning against living someone else's life, Jobs emphasizes the value of self-discovery and the pursuit of one's unique path in life. The statement promotes a philosophy of empowerment and self-determination. It encourages individuals to take ownership of their lives and decisions, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing personal happiness, fulfillment, and growth. By urging individuals to live authentically, Jobs inspires a mindset of courage and resilience, encouraging individuals to embrace their true selves and pursue their dreams without fear of judgment or societal pressure. In conclusion, Steve Jobs' statement, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life," offers a profound call to action for embracing personal authenticity and meaningful living. It underscores the importance of valuing time as a precious resource and making conscious choices that align with one's own values and aspirations. This philosophy encourages individuals to cultivate a sense of self-awareness, autonomy, and purpose in their lives, fostering a path to fulfillment and personal growth. Ultimately, Jobs' insight serves as a guiding principle for navigating life's journey with intentionality and authenticity, encouraging individuals to seize the opportunity to live a life that is true to themselves and their deepest convictions.